Hi everyone, welcome to another house tour. So in today's episode we have a really interesting property to show you. It's actually a converted church which dates back to 1890. It was converted into 3 apartments in 2004 and the one we're showing you was the biggest of the 3 and it was redone in 2013 by a famous interior designer and it's actually been featured in newspapers, books, loads of cool magazines.
And that interior designer actually lives here?
Yeah, she lives here, yeah. It's listed at 1.325 million with Rubens from Nest Seekers and it's just over 2,600 square feet inside. It's pretty cold out here, so shall we start heading inside?
Yeah, let's get inside through these doors.
Proper church doors.
Yeah, there's a lot of original features you'll see throughout.
Yeah, so there's the original beams and the original windows still in here.
So here's the entrance just before we go in. So you've got a nice porch area.
Another set of double doors.
First impressions are, wow, lovely.
Really
it's
wow.
so open, right?
If you pan up, Matt, you can see the original beams and the original windows over here. We do apologise, we are buying a new stabiliser, so the footage might not be super stable, so sorry about that.
I'll do my best.
Let's start from this side of the room then. So this is an
12.
Yeah, 12-seater table.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, interior design is a great job, like, which you'd expect from the owner.
Yeah, of course.
So over to this side, we have this huge built-in wall unit with a massive amount of storage. Very interesting table, as you can see, all white.
There's a study over here with a desk and iMac. Actually, 2 desks.
And then here is access outside to the garden, but we'll show you that towards the end.
Got a piano. Is it on? Oh, it's an electric piano.
Ah.
It's going to play on my tunes then.
Yeah, next time.
This is the living space. This is called an everyone sofa.
Yeah, that's right.
Because you can fit everyone in it. It's this side and you can also sit on this side.
It is a ginormous sofa. Let me come on here and show you from the other angle. Wow. Looks very comfy, to be fair.
Yeah, it is comfy. It's a modern look with the furniture. Look at this coffee table. It's like a big board.
Yeah. And I think those are called like the egg chairs, aren't they?
The egg chairs, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the kitchen.
This property is also grade 2 listed. Obviously it's a church.
Yeah.
Thought I'd mention that. Siemens induction hob in the middle. Dishwasher through here. Lots of storage.
Yeah, loads of storage. What's over this section?
Fridge and your ovens. Siemens ovens, and that's an oven microwave.
Oh, yeah.
Utility through here. I like when the washing stuff is separate from the kitchen.
Yeah. What's through there? Pantry? Ah, just the hot water tank.
Another seating area on my left.
Oh, yeah.
2 nice chairs. What's this way then? We've got a
Then you've got the
toilet.
downstairs WC and storage. Yeah. There we go.
We're exploring this for the first time with you, so we hope it feels like you're with us.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, storage coat hanger. Just go quite far back, that actually.
Yeah. There's 2 bedrooms, and as you can see, one of them is up there, and another one is up there.
Should we go explore them?
Yeah, let's head upstairs. Oh wow, I haven't been up here yet.
No. Well, let's have a peek over. Wow, okay.
Which one should we go to first?
That one first. Check out these beams.
There is a blind here for privacy, obviously, so you can't see into
Yeah.
the bedroom. Wow. So unique, isn't it?
Yeah.
guessing they're the wardrobes, those mirrored doors.
What are your thoughts, guys? Would you live in something like this? Very interesting church conversion. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know what you guys think. So I love that it's modern in
Yeah.
here, because obviously a church is an old building. They've made it modern.
They have, yeah. They've done a good job. And what's over this side then?
Oh, this is walk-in
A
wardrobe.
dressing room. Let me just show you. It does actually go all the way around. And
Bath
two
down
steps
here.
down into the suite.
There's a bath in this ensuite and a
Yeah.
shower in the other ensuite.
Yeah.
Should we head to the next one?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this glass.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's really cool. Golden. And so, where are we at the moment? What was the area?
Chingford.
Chingford, that's it.
Yeah, we're not familiar with this area.
It's East
ourselves.
London, Chingford.
Yeah, East London. We'll put a map on the screen so you can
Yeah.
check it out.
We'll put a map as well of how far it is away from central London for our foreign international viewers that aren't quite sure
Yeah.
of the area.
So I'm guessing this is the main bedroom because it's got dual sinks.
Oh yeah. Oh, actually, this is quite big because it goes down here. You've got 2 steps down again. And there's quite a nice shower.
There's a storage cupboard back here as well that goes round.
Cool.
Here's the bed.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
either one could be your main bedroom, I guess.
Yeah.
I like this one because of the shower, but I like that one because it's got a dressing room.
And it's slightly bigger
Yeah, the bedroom.
without that there.
So
it
what's
feels
this?
bigger.
Oh, this is
Well,
the
that's
wardrobe.
the wardrobe, yeah. So they've done it to make the bed area feel a bit more cosy, I guess.
Yeah.
And also private from this window.
Yes. You couldn't hide that. That looks incredible.
Yeah.
Now we finished the interior tour. Let's head down to the garden. This is the back door then. Let's head out.
Ah, it's AstroTurf.
The snow is so thick.
Yeah, it's thick over here actually. Oh,
There
well,
you
okay,
go.
yeah, so you've got an outdoor garden with another entrance from the front and then a bit more space towards that side. And
I
then here's a
think-
look at that window.
You have around 650 square feet out here of exterior.
Yeah.
This is decking as well.
Oh, yeah,
Wow.
there it is.
It's so
Yeah.
unique. Imagine living in a church.
I know.
I feel like you wouldn't be able to swear or say any swear words in it because it's like,
Yeah, I know what you mean. We hope you guys are enjoying our unique property tours. We've got more on the way.
yeah. Well, we're doing a houseboat soon.
Yes, we are
Stay
actually.
tuned for
Stay
that.
tuned for that, yeah.
We hope you. Sorry. I'm so
Sorry,
cold.
summer's so cold.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.